If you've ever dreamed of turning your passion into a live, interactive experience that reaches people around the world, live streaming is one of the most powerful tools you can use. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to start live streaming, step by step, so you can share your message, grow your audience, and even turn it into a career. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Live Streaming, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Live streaming matters because it gives you something no other medium can: real-time connection. Instead of pre-recorded, polished videos, you're inviting people into a shared experience where anything can happen. It builds trust, authenticity, and community in ways other content can't. And the good news is, you don't need fancy gear or years of training to start. Here are the key steps to begin your live streaming journey. Step number 1. Choose your platform. The very first step is deciding where you'll go live. Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are the most popular platforms, and each has its own culture and audience. For example, Twitch is known for gaming, but it's also expanding into art, music, and just chatting. YouTube is powerful if you want long-term discoverability, while TikTok and Instagram are great for quick, interactive sessions. Think about where your ideal audience hangs out most. Choosing the right platform helps your content reach the people who will resonate with it best. Step number 2. Set up your equipment. You don't need an expensive studio to start. A smartphone and decent internet connection are enough for a beginner. As you grow, you can invest in upgrades like a webcam, microphone, and ring light for better visuals and audio. Audio quality is often more important than video. Viewers will forgive a slightly blurry picture, but they won't stay if they can't hear you clearly. Start simple, then scale up as your audience grows and your goals become clearer. Step number 3. Plan your content. Going live without a plan can be stressful. Even if your style is spontaneous, outline the flow of your stream in advance. Will you be playing a game, teaching a skill, answering questions, or just chatting? Having a basic roadmap keeps your energy up and prevents awkward silences. For example, if you're a cooking streamer, your plan might include introduction, ingredient rundown, live cooking demo, taste test, and Q&A. Structure makes the experience smoother for both you and your viewers. Step number 4. Create an engaging setup. Your stream is your stage, so make it inviting. This could mean setting up a clean, well-lit background, adding overlays or graphics, or even just making sure your camera angle feels personal and approachable. You don't need to copy professional studios. Authenticity often wins, but having a setup that reflects your personality makes viewers more likely to stay and return. Think of it as your online living room, where guests want to hang out. Step number 5. Interact with your audience. The magic of live streaming is the real-time interaction. Greet viewers by name, respond to comments, and encourage participation. Ask questions like, "What do you think I should try next?" or "Where are you watching from?" Engagement makes your stream feel like a conversation instead of a performance. Even if only a few people show up at first, treat them like VIPs. Those early supporters often become your most loyal fans. Step number 6. Promote. Consistency. Viewers love knowing when to find you. Pick a schedule you can realistically keep, whether that's daily, weekly, or a few times a month, and stick to it. Consistency builds anticipation and helps your audience form habits around tuning in. Imagine your stream like a favorite TV show. People know when it airs, and they plan to watch. Over time, Consistency is what transforms casual viewers into a community. Step number 7. Analyze and improve. After each stream, take time to review. Most platforms give you stats like watch time, peak viewers, and chat activity. Notice what segments people loved and where engagement dipped. Did your intro feel too long? Did the Q&A spark more interaction than expected? These insights help you refine your approach. Live streaming is a skill. Every broadcast is practice, and every practice makes you better. Let's say you're a musician. You could stream weekly jam sessions, take live requests from your audience, or even break down how you write your songs. If you're into fitness, you could host live workout sessions where viewers follow along in real time. If you love gaming, you can play your favorite titles while chatting with your viewers about strategies or life in general. The key is to combine your passion with interactive elements that keep people engaged. HowExpert Tip: repurpose your live streams. One powerful strategy many beginners overlook is repurposing. Record your live streams and upload the highlights as shorter clips on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. This multiplies your reach, brings in new viewers, and lets people who missed the live session still enjoy your content. It's like turning one stream into multiple pieces of content across different platforms. When you follow these steps, live streaming goes from being an intimidating idea to a powerful way to express yourself and connect with others. You'll build confidence, sharpen your communication skills, and create a community around your passion, all while sharing something you love. Your challenge: pick one platform today and schedule your very first live stream within the next week. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just start. Use your phone, share something you're excited about, and invite people in. The best way to learn live streaming is by doing it, and your future audience is waiting for you. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Live Streaming, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores, as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.